But if miniature model making is hard work, so is building an exact replica of a First World War plane, which is what they're planning at this factory at Kirby Moorside in Yorkshire. They're rebuilding the past, and like some of the work the model makers do, it's for film purposes. They usually make gliders here, but now they're turning their talents to the crazy kites of the 1418 war. The wood and canvas SE-5, the lick and spittle biplane which wind into the sky-high dogfights above France, is reborn to fly for the cameras. The craftsmen are following original designs to make sure that the planes are authentic, for modern know-how plays no part in recreating the contrivances of aviation's infancy. Scenes like this were commonplace just 50 years ago. For the first time, aircraft were being used as war machines. The Air Force was then the Royal Flying Corps, and more often than not, the only bomb dropped was a hand grenade lobbed through the maze of struts and wires. The 60s version of the SE-5 Veteran goes through its audition without a hint of stage fright. Almost unbelievably, flying in these wartime days had romantic connotations. Planes with names like the Sopwith Camel and the Bristol Bulldog took up and brought down the air aces, for heroes were born in their machines and died in them. Their names, like the planes they flew, have lived on to become legends.